How to delete every VODs and clips in one click. It's simple! Yo, welcome back guys, my name is Aslex and welcome back to Sumo Streaming. Today I'm gonna show you how you can get rid of every VODs and clips to avoid copyright and DMCA on your channel. So basically what DMCA and copyright is, if you used or shown any materials like music, video footage that you don't own and the company want to claim that you're using a copyright materials, they'll give you a warning or strike. And on Twitch and YouTube, if you get free strike of copyright, you're out. Your entire business, your entire legacy is wiped out. Hooray, not hooray. Alright, let's take a look how to get rid of this problem, shall we? Before we begin, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if this one helped you, or if you have any other questions. Please consider to subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get 1,000 followers. We're not there yet, sad, yeah. Why is this always changing? Like, what the f? Also, I do stream on Twitch. I stream, I don't know. I'm trying to stream more and more on Twitch and upload weekly on this YouTube channel. So if you want to hang, or just say thank you in my face, go over there, give me a follow, show up sometimes. Love ya. Gosh, I'm not really in the mood to record it today. That's why I'm talking weird. Alright, let's get to the video. Okay, so what you want to do first is on your Twitch, you go to, under your name, you can go to channel, you can go to video producer, video dashboard, or settings. Those three will lead you to the same place. So I'm gonna do on video producer. And the easiest way is just go to video producer, because then you're already in where you want to be. So under video producer, you can see here's the past VODs for your broadcast. I only streamed 2 days these past days. So there's only 2 VODs of me, and it will normally store up to 14 days if you're not a partner. If you're a partner, you can store up to 30 days? 30, I believe. I don't really remember the number, doesn't matter. Alright, so if you want to delete one and one, you can just select all, delete, or one and one like this, delete there. Or you can go to here, click delete, or you can even download it. So I suggest, if you want anything, you don't have to clip any videos out of this, like make a video, YouTube video of compilations of any materials on your past streams. Make sure to download the video or record the video while you're streaming so you can have the footage. But we want to get rid of this copyright thing, right? So there's a new thing that Twitch just announced. Click here next to the upload. Danger zone. Delete all video. I confirm I want to delete all my videos. Yes, delete all videos. I'm not gonna do that since I don't have any copyright materials in my videos. Or maybe I have, but doesn't really matter. I'm still a small streamer, so nobody cares. And I don't care, the video will get deleted after 14 days anyway by the system. So for me, it's not a big deal. But maybe if you're a big streamer and you know that you did something that you might get caught by the Twitch system, so get rid of the video, download the video so you can edit it out or upload to YouTube, and just don't save anything on Twitch. It's not safe anymore. And same goes for the clip. You go to clip, you can have like clips on my channel, clips that I created, the same thing. Delete every clips. You can do on, like, I made some clips for some other people's channel, only like 2 people's, and most are on my channel. And then clips of my channel, you can delete every clips that are on my channel or on your channel. So every people that made any clips of your channel, you can delete them. And you can also select and download them and make into compilations. Very simple. Yo, this This lightning is so strange. Like, suddenly I'm looking so dark here, and alright, I'm gonna boost it up a little bit. Cause my face doesn't look that dark. Like, what is this? And wow, what is this? Too bright. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, make sure to drop a like, follow, and subscribe. Did I say subscribe? Leave a comment. Leave a comment. Yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye. Goodbye.